If you are looking for the best auto-darkening welding helmet, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Antra AH6 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The Antra welding helmet must be the most popular welding helmet on the market and is the best welding helmet for the money. It ticks a lot of boxes in terms of quality, with a good optical glass, lens reaction time, and shade range. It also now has a grind mode and adjustable sensitivity options. It's so lightweight that it's great for welding for long periods, but not the best choice for durability, so I wouldn't use this for heavy welding applications or overhead welding. Number 2. Lincoln Electric 3350 Series Welding Helmet. This doesn't have the curvature and wide field of view of the ESAB or 3M speed glass, but makes up for this with a taller viewing area that gives it a huge overall window size that's better for seeing directly what's in front of you. It ticks all the quality boxes, with a super fast lens reaction time, 4 arc sensors, and a perfect optical classification. The clarity through this helmet is exceptional, and it's comfy and lightweight too. Number 3. ESAB Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. This futuristic-looking helmet has a large viewing area with great visibility and a bluish arc color. You can see the external grind mode button on the top, which is useful for changing between processes. There's also a unique touchscreen display on the inside to change between different shades, sensitivity, delay, and save settings for different processes. I do like this feature, but it might be tricky to operate with big hands and gloves. It's comfortable to wear with an adjustable 5-point headgear. Number 4. Tanox AutoDarkening Solar-Powered Welding Helmet. It's already a cheap helmet, but it also comes with a nice pair of 16-inch Kevlar welding gloves to add even more value. It's a quite comfortable helmet, but without the sturdiness of adjustment capabilities of many other models. The main pros of this are that it has good clarity, the free gloves, and the price. A futuristic sci-fi looking helmet provides one of the best looks that money can buy. They also made sure that the automated sensors can detect the arc in the right moment so that your eyes stay safe. Number 5. Jackson Safety HSL 100 Welding Helmet. This is a much more affordable model from Jackson that's good value for money. It's the heaviest helmet in the top 10, so we don't recommend it if you're welding for extended periods. The viewing area is a decent size for the price, and the slim shell makes it a good choice for welding in tight spaces. It has a grind mode available and digital controls to switch between sensitivity and delay. It also has 4 sensors to help pick up the arc. For details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.